Deep within the emerald embrace of a tropical rainforest, a silent predator lurks. It is not a creature of tooth and claw, but something far smaller, far more insidious. It is a virus, an ancient entity known as Maxipox. Like a ghost in the shadows, it moves unseen, unheard, waiting for the opportune moment to strike. For centuries, Maxipox has slumbered in the heart of the jungle, its existence unknown to the wider world. But whispers of its presence have always lingered in the air. Tales whispered by tribal elders, stories of strange illnesses that swept through villages with terrifying speed. The rainforest, a place of immense beauty and biodiversity, also harbors dangers unknown. Within its tangled tapestry of life and death, the Maxipox virus lies hidden, a constant reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. The question is not if, but when, this shadow in the jungle will emerge once more. The origins of Maxipox are shrouded in mystery. Some scientists believe it has existed for millennia, passed down through generations of animals deep within the rainforest. Others speculate that it is a more recent mutation, a terrifying example of nature's power to adapt and evolve. Whatever its source, Maxipox is a formidable foe. It is a member of the pox virus family, a group of viruses known for their ability to cause severe illness in humans. Smallpox, a close relative of Maxipox, once ravaged civilizations, leaving behind a trail of death and despair. While smallpox has been eradicated, Maxipox serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present threat posed by infectious diseases. The virus's ability to lie dormant for extended periods, only to re-emerge with devastating consequences, makes it a constant source of concern for public health officials worldwide. Maxipox is a master of disguise. It spreads silently, often before any symptoms even appear. The virus can jump from animals to humans through a bite, a scratch, or even contact with infected bodily fluids. Once inside its human host, it begins to replicate rapidly, infiltrating cells and hijacking their machinery. What makes Maxipox particularly dangerous is its ability to spread through the air. An infected person can release tiny, invisible droplets containing the virus when they cough or sneeze. These droplets can linger in the air for hours, potentially infecting anyone who inhales them. The virus can also survive on surfaces for extended periods, making contaminated objects another potential source of infection. This silent and invisible enemy can quickly turn everyday activities like shaking hands or touching a doorknob into potential hazards. The threat of Maxipox is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness and the importance of vigilance in a globalized world. Section 4. The Mark of Maxipox. The symptoms of Maxipox are as cruel as they are unmistakable. The virus announces its presence with a sudden and debilitating fever, accompanied by chills, muscle aches, and a throbbing headache. As the infection progresses, a distinctive rash begins to appear, first as small flat spots, then evolving into painful, pus-filled blisters that cover the body. These blisters, the hallmark of Maxipox, are more than just a disfiguring symptom. They are a testament to the virus's ability to wreak havoc on the body. Maxipox attacks multiple organ systems, leading to complications such as pneumonia, encephalitis, and even death. While there is no known cure for Maxipox, early detection and supportive care can significantly improve the chances of survival. The development of effective vaccines and antiviral treatments remains a top priority for researchers racing against time to combat this emerging threat. Section 5. Echoes of outbreaks past. History is littered with cautionary tales of infectious diseases that have ravaged populations and reshaped civilizations. While Maxipox is a relatively new threat, its emergence echoes past outbreaks that serve as stark reminders of the devastating consequences of inaction. In recent decades, the world has witnessed the emergence of Ebola, SARS, and MERS, each a stark reminder of the vulnerability of human populations to infectious diseases. These outbreaks highlight the importance of robust public health infrastructure, international cooperation, and swift action to contain the spread of deadly pathogens. The lessons learned from these past outbreaks are invaluable in the fight against Maxipox. By studying the patterns of transmission, the effectiveness of control measures, and the social and economic impacts of previous epidemics, we can better prepare for and respond to the threat posed by this emerging virus. Section 6. Guardians of our health. In the face of a threat like Maxipox, knowledge is our greatest weapon. Understanding the virus, how it spreads, and the dangers it poses is the first step in protecting ourselves and our communities. Public awareness is paramount. We must all be vigilant, staying informed about potential outbreaks and following the recommendations of healthcare professionals. Simple measures such as frequent hand washing, practicing good hygiene, and avoiding contact with sick individuals can significantly reduce the risk of infection. The development of effective vaccines and antiviral treatments is crucial in our fight against Maxipox. Continued investment in research and development is essential to stay ahead of this evolving threat and develop the tools we need to protect future generations. The battle against Maxipox is a global one. International cooperation and collaboration are essential to share information, resources, and expertise. By working together, we can strengthen our defenses, contain outbreaks, and ultimately conquer this emerging threat to public health.